Hey guys, Mrs. Dipple again. All right, so now you guys have finished your first worksheet, right? Now we're ready to move on to what says homework, but we know that we still do these in class, all right? So, now, instead of coloring circles, we're gonna be doing coloring our squares. Now again, our squares are in the 5 group way. All right, so we always know that we start from right to left to right, okay, and top to bottom, all right? So make sure we always color left to right, top to bottom, all right? Now, we've got our math equation and our number bond. Remember, this is the whole number into our parts. And our math equation says we're doing what first? The 2 parts into the whole number. Good job. Parts to whole to parts for the number bond. All right. So again, we're going to be looking, okay, and it tells us how many squares we're going to color. Again, we're only using 2 colors. You got it. Okay. So we're going to be coloring 9 squares. Now it tells us green and blue. Do I care if you use green and blue? Nope, I don't. I just want to see 2 colors. I don't care what 2 colors you get to pick. But again, not changing colors, all right, on our worksheet. All right, so let's look at this first one. All right, so we're going to color how many? 1 color? 9 of them. All right, so I get this so that you can see it. All right, count with me. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 1 gives me 10. Good job. All right, so now, again, I'm going to use my marker, but you guys use your pencil, okay? Now, I think you will use your finger because you'll be able to download the document. So I apologize for saying you're going to use your pencil. Don't use your pencil. Don't draw on the iPads with your pencil, okay? So, all right, we've got how many red ones? Orange ones, whatever color we want to call it. 9 of them. Very good. So I'm going to put 9 plus how many green? 1. Okay. 9 plus 1 is, let's count them and see. Make sure that we're correct. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Very good. Okay. So, we've got 9 red plus 1 green equals 10. Okay. We're not done yet, though, are we? We got to fill in this number bond. What goes at the top of our number bond? Whole number. Good job. And our whole number is 10. Okay? So I wrote my 10 up there. Okay? What are my 2 parts for this problem? 9 and 1. So I wrote those in as well. Okay? Now, the rest of the paper, again, it tells us how many we're coloring, okay? Fill in your equation. Now this one, we don't have the number bond, so if you do not want to write the number bond, you do not have to. If you want to, good job, okay? All right, so same here. Oh, that number bond's back though, so we gotta use the number bond. We gotta fill in the number bond, color correctly, and your math sentence. Same with this one. It tells us again how many we're coloring each time. Coloring 0 squares. And add 0 squares green and 1 square blue. Okay? So I want to see how you do on that. Uh-oh. It says subtraction. Remember, with subtraction, we take away from that whole number. All right? So let's do a couple subtraction problems on our board. All right, so just as a reminder, it looks like this. Okay, we're not doing anything bigger than the number 4. So do I need to write anything bigger than the number 4? Nope. All right, so let's start with 1, 2, 3. I have 3 circles. So down here, I'm going to write the number 3, because we always, oh, my 3 is backwards. Let me erase that. It looks right to you guys. All right, so backwards C, backwards C. We always start with our whole number on subtraction, okay? Now, we are only taking away 1. So, let's put an X through one of them. So, 3 minus 1 equals, how many circles do we have left? 2. Very good. Remember, with subtraction, we always start with our whole number. Minus how many we X out equals how many are not X'd out. Let's do another couple of these, all right? So I'm going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4. So my whole number is 4. I'm going to take away one of them, which gives me 1, 2, 3 of them left. Okay? So, again, on the bottom where the rest of the paper we were doing addition, we were adding together. On the bottom, we're taking away. Okay? So, feel free to draw your pictures. Use pictures if you need to. It's okay. All right? So, that is your other math worksheet for today. Okay? So, make sure you look at what it's telling you to color. Okay? If all else fails, remember like we do in the classroom, we underline those numbers that we're going to be using. Okay? So, if all else fails, underline the numbers you're going to be using. All right. I'll see you in a bit. Bye.